Make yourself comfortable lying or sitting down with your legs uncrossed and your hands to the side or on your lap, and making sure that your back is straight. Pink light enters the bottom of your feet, flowing into your toes and your feet. The bottom of your legs, your thighs, torso, moving down your shoulders into your arms, filling your hands and fingers, up your neck and into your head. A golden white ball of light hovers above your head. It moves down and enters the top of your head. Flowing down into your head. Into your neck, shoulders, down your arms into your hands and fingers. Flowing down your body, into your hips, your upper legs, lower legs and feet. It flows out the bottom of your feet into the earth. The pink and golden white energy pour out the top of your head and flow around your body, encasing you in a cocoon. In front of you is a pink door with a green handle. Take the candle and open your door, stepping through into a large square room. On the floor are pieces of pink and green crystal. Choose a piece of crystal and place it in the middle of the room. Collect the pieces of crystal one by one and fit them back together again in the middle of the room. The pieces of crystal together make the shape of a heart. The fragments of your heart are together once more. The heart moves upwards towards the center of your body. It moves into your spiritual heart. And its vibration flows throughout your body. It flows out of your heart into the universe. White light surrounds you. It moves through your skin into your body, releasing any negative emotions. Clearing your energetic body. You feel unconditional love pouring out of your heart. Filling your body. The room fades away. And your pink door appears in front of you. Taking the green handle, you open it and step through back into the place where you started this meditation. Feel the sensations returning to your body, your fingers and toes, hands and feet, arms and legs, your chest raises and lowers with your breath. Roots stretch from the bottom of your feet, deep into the earth. Grounding you here and now.